Hey YouTube, it's your boy D-Star coming to you again with a live video, you know what I mean? At Keshawn Richards. Yeah, gate, you know? I'm here with his mom. Right here, say hi. And his big sister. Say hi. Say hi, so. And the big brother, you know? Right. Yeah, man. And Richie is over there. But,
Puppy.
Now party. Eh? Yo, YouTube live.
To God. Show the fans them.
Fans them there enough. Only my fans there. All the AC there too. The AC them out here.
Strap legend there to you see it. Oh, yo, people checking dog. Up top. Yo, good. Yeah, man, we out here, man. You see it. When the crooks them out here, better live so people can talk and come in. Yeah, man, strap legend there, but you must say a bad gas.
6 out here, no?
You must say bad gas in the bike. You see me say now can't go up. But that rusty farm. Blood clean.
Don't hit it.
But yes, dog.
Keep on. Done rusty farm. Yo, so the crooks them there. Young crooks them that is it. Yo man, the girls them out. Yeah man, see the star yeah? Young star this. Keshawn Richards, you know what I mean? Yeah man, look out for him. When he get bigger, I am that thing on the street. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Brother. Yo, viewers, I'm just trying. Come like him now here what go on. Brother, the clutch now work good. The girl in the ear, you know. Lama Jack, up top. Lamar, up top. Man. JC, up. No? I read the comment them. YouTube. Yo, far strike. New one improved 2020 machine, you know what I mean? Yeah man, 6.
I know these stars done.
You see it?
Bumbo.
You want to go in that video, but you smash me up, dog. It's done my road, dog. I can have no control over it, dog.
Strike.
What?
Live. Tago, Mavda. Yeah, we must stop.
Someone all good?
No, man.
No, man. Woman and all.
I'm testing your chick.
No. The gear in the front and that's the wheelie now.
See if we can catch me.
Three viewers. Three viewers. Three viewers. Yo, that's the hardest pedal out back now 360 now.
360
So you now enjoy the view. Too stiff, dog. And a free tonight. Top sprocket and free. I don't know if I drill and make it feel so because it's a race driller. But it feel extra stiff.
Oh, still.
Like, charge and now. So nice spokes them bus.
You can't catch me, I think that I have it. Watch out. I'll name that about focus enough.
I'm afraid.
Yeah, man, we out air. Viewers, you don't know, peace out. Thanks for subscribing, share this video, like this video, you know what I mean? And continue to support us, Audience D-Star, you see me? Psycho Movement Stunters, you don't know, Kingston will come from, I don't know, we are come to you soon, at any country in there, you see me I say? Yeah man, come get some footage and rub the pavement, you know what I mean? Yeah man, look out for it, looking more.
Hear that, we hear that.
Anything what him say. So yo, Matty.
Are you sure that you want to stop streaming?